Hi, I'm Dan. I'm a client of Fund&Grow. Michael Richards did a fantastic job for me. He acquired me credit in places that I had not considered. In addition to that, he did it in a timely and professional manner. From the time that I first made contact with Fund&Grow until the time that he had finalized the first round of negotiations with the various entities, he had not spent more than a month and a half. In the first month at all, I needed to pay down some debt. And having done that, he went right to work. I mean, he got me more in the first round of negotiations than I had to pay down in order to get there. So that was fantastic. Fund&Grow has been a lifesaver. I flip houses, and to have the available credit necessary to make purchases and pay off vendors, it's fantastic. It's exactly what's necessary to make my business grow, and that's my intent. Try them. You'll like them. Bye-bye.